Dogecoin was initially begun as a joke, a parody of the digital money market and the wild cost floods seen by any semblance of Bitcoin. It's subsequently fairly unexpected that the token proceeded to become one of the most well-known cryptos of 2021, bragging a market cap more than $32 billion. It was additionally maybe unavoidable that in the end, one more token would go along to equal Dogecoin, and this is where Shiba Inu comes in. Named the Dogecoin executioner, Shiba has a comparative use case to Doge in that it is apparently a token for trade and not actually much else. It likewise tries to copy Dogecoin's prosperity by building serious areas of strength for A. So beside their Shiba Inu mascot, the two coins share a comparative mission. Nonetheless, Doge enjoys the benefit of its popular relationship with Tesla president Elon Musk, while Shiba Inu's arrangement to get Ethereum's Vitalik Buterin on side by sending him a huge holding of SHIB failed when he quickly consumed it and flagged that he needed no inclusion with the task. So is Shiba just exchanging on Dogecoin's new achievement? Or does the venture have any authentic long-haul practicality? In the accompanying Dogecoin, Doge vs Shiba (SHIB) survey, we'll investigate what each coin brings to the table and think about which one presents the better speculation opportunity. Dogecoin was the first of the purported image coins, broadly began as a joke to parody the financial backer publicity encompassing the cryptographic money market. The venture was sent off in 2013 and took on the Shiba Inu canine as its mascot, which at the time was the subject of a well-known image doing the rounds. However, Dogecoin's blockchain isn't totally without merit. Displayed on Litecoin, it really has a strong foundation in being founded on the script verification of work component. It is more versatile than, say, Bitcoin. The carefree ethos ended up being something of a hit with crypto lovers, with the cost of Doge seeing development of more than 300% in its initial not many long stretches of exchanging. At that point, many saw the allure in the more shopper-centered approach and saw Doge as a real option in contrast to Bitcoin. It appears to be that Shiba Inu was particularly made to emulate the far-fetched outcome of Dogecoin. In its white paper, the pseudonymic pioneer Ryashi claims that the token is expected to be totally local area driven, similar as Doge had become by that stage. Similarly as with Dogecoin, Shiba Inu is expected to act as a shared installment organization with no focal power, corporate construction or a president pursuing choices for the heading of the undertaking. The thought is that Shiba Inu is totally local area drove all along. A vital distinction among Dogecoin and Shiba Inu is that SHIB is really an ERC20 token running on the Ethereum blockchain. Some could say this is a critical benefit, as it implies that Shiba Inu can cooperate with the most famous DeFi projects, the majority of which are likewise running on the Ethereum blockchain. Organic market Dogecoin is known for its dynamic local area and superstar supports, in any case, the cost of a still up in the air by market interest. While some cryptographic forms of money limit their stock to make shortage, Dogecoin has stayed consistent with its dispatch of making a veritable shared installment framework by taking on an inflationary component. The thought is that this will forestall financial backers holding the token and removing enormous aggregates from dissemination, while keeping exchange charges down in the long haul. Dogecoin builds supply of a rate presently likens to around 5 billion Doge each year. This truly intends that there are in every case an adequate number of tokens in supply to help exchanges and permit Doge to fill its need. In principle, market influences will ultimately decide the amount Doge is delivered into the organization, likewise with government-issued money. The designers behind Shiba Inu have adopted an alternate strategy with regards to the symbolic stock component. SHIB has a circling supply of 500 trillion and an all-out cap set at 1 quadrillion. Notwithstanding, a lot of the inventory was singed by Ethereum Prime supporter Vitalik Buterin. It isn't clear on the off chance that this was the aim behind Shiba engineers sending him the token, yet it was to a great extent seen as a disapproval from the Ethereum organizer. The Shiba site gladly expresses that the excess SHIB, that which was not consumed by Buterin, was altogether secured in the Uniswap trade, implying that anybody hoping to exchange SHIB should do as such on the open market. Dogecoin vs Shiba Inu, which is the better venture? With regards to making a speculation, weighing up Shiba vs Dogecoin is precarious, as the two coins are local area driven, and that implies they are likely to a wild cost changes with little to assist them with balancing out. Digital money speculation generally conveys a specific gamble, yet anybody hoping to secure a holding of one or the other Doge or SHIB ought to remember that these are both image coins, and there is no genuine point of reference for how their worth might change after some time. Dogecoin vs Shiba Inu, value history. In the event that you're hoping to put resources into Dogecoin or Shiba, It's smart to check out at every token's past cost exhibition. While this by itself probably won't be sufficient to make exact forecasts, it very well may be valuable in evaluating what certain market influences mean for each coin. Dogecoin. Doge. In spite of generally being recognized as something of a joke, Dogecoin encountered a genuinely fruitful send-off, making gains adding up to around 300%. Only 14 days in the wake of being recorded. Nonetheless, this ended up being fleeting, and Doge basically flatlined at negligible incentive for the following couple of years. Doge experienced something of a cost flood in 2017, when costs went from $0.0002 to around $0.0090 before the year was out. By and by, this was fleeting. Yet it was sufficient to tell financial backers that Dogecoin was as yet applicable in a consistently advancing crypto market. By 2019, Doge was exchanging down around $0.0025, periodically crawling up to $0.0030 going into 2020. Yet without gaining any significant ground. Doge's next significant leap came during a far-reaching rise toward the beginning of 2021, which saw costs hit $0.082 in February. After several months, the Dogecoin people group applied its power, sending Doge up to keep highs in April, prior to finishing in an unsurpassed high of $0.731. This undeniable an increment of a stunning 9,000% on Doge's cost in January 2021. On the off chance that you're keen on putting resources into Dogecoin, you are most likely currently mindful that the coin has seen some really critical and frequently wild cost development throughout the long term, quite a bit of which has been driven by the consistently loyal Doge people group. While this can give extraordinary increases to sharp financial backers, it definitely implies Dogecoin cost forecasts are not dependable all of the time. Trading Beasts has made a genuinely sensible Dogecoin cost forecast. As per its specialized examination, Doge will end 2023 at 22 cents. Moving into 2023, Doge will proceed with this energy, going into 2024 at a likely high of 30 cents. Somewhere else, Digitalconpress has been somewhat less hopeful with its Doge gauge. It predicts that Dogecoin will reach 18 cents toward the finish of 2023 and keep climbing consistently throughout the next few years, ultimately coming to 40 cents in 2027. Willett Investors' Dogecoin value forecast is like that of Trading Beasts. The stage has Dogecoin, Doge, completing 2023 at expected high of 38 cents. While 2023 will be a turbulent year for Dogecoin, eventually its worth will increment, and toward the finish of 2024, the stage predicts that Doge could have an exchanging high of 78 cents per token. Could Shiba truly be a Doge executioner? It might appear like Shiba is pretty much a copycat of Dogecoin, trying to capitalize on the last's new achievement, and to a degree this is valid. In any case, SHIB has a couple of secret weapons that could see it at last turning into the Doge executioner it has been promoted as, right off the bat, as we have previously referenced.